The surface of Google Messages now has a mysterious icon, a tiny banana. But this time's no glitch or Easter egg. It's just Google casually dropping Nano Banana AI image generator in your chats. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. This mysterious banana was first spotted by Android police and tied to Gemini 2.5 Flash, marking Google's next move in making AI a seamless part of your everyday digital life. Already powering image creation in Notebook LM, Google Lens, and soon Photos, Nano Bananas quietly put out more than 5 billion images till now, but integrating it into Google Messages, used by hundreds of millions of people every day, could instantly make it the most widely used AI image tool on the planet. The banana button appears when you long press an image in the message thread. It won't create the image from scratch using prompts, but it's rather for editing, transforming, or memifying existing photos. You can add smart filters, instant cleanup tools, or AI-generated jokes, like turning your roommate's blurry lunch picture into a 5-star food blog post, or dropping a velociraptor into your friend's selfie, just for laughs. This is AI with a sense of humor and utility, and it puts Google in direct competition with Meta's AI in WhatsApp, Apple's iMessage image generation, and Snapchat's Creative Suite. Although there is no word when this feature will actually be here, and the banana remains invisible for now, but as Google loves to add AI into everything, it can come up anytime. Until then, keep your eyes on it. You might be one tap away from turning a simple photo into your next viral meme. The future of chat just got as fibrous as a banana. Which image are you planning to edit first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.